For amazing Vietnamese cuisine, a stop at Remton Vietnamese Cuisine in Webster, Texas is a must. Come on in, let's take a look.
When you're traveling through Texas, you're bound to get hungry. Join Joe as he eats his way through the Lone Star State. This is Texas Chronicles Pit Stop with Joe Perez.
We are at Remton Vietnamese Cuisine now in Webster, Texas.
I've been wanting to visit Remton for the longest time. Their food looks amazing in all their posts, and finally I had the chance to try them out.
We serve here like Vietnamese cuisine, some Asian fusion, oyster, raw oyster, grilled oyster, and Vietnamese cuisine like a normal for restaurant like phở from Michelin bowl, and then some of a very authentic cuisine like bún chả Hà Nội, bánh khọt Vũng Tàu, those things.
Remton has been around since 2020, founded by Tracy Tran, whose passion for food runs deep. Tracy's family has been running a successful restaurant in Vietnam for over 25 years, and it's still thriving today. While Tracy originally came to the U.S. to study abroad, her journey took an unexpected turn. Although she is a master's of finance, a master's of accounting, and an active registered nurse, Tracy couldn't resist her love for food when she saw the opportunity to take over a restaurant. She decided to bring her family's beloved recipes to the community, sharing authentic Vietnamese cuisine with a mission to make people happy and introduce them to the flavors of her heritage. At the helm of Remton is Chef David. Crafting amazing Vietnamese cuisine, every dish is handled with care and love, making each one a true work of art. Check out this beef pho. This is loaded with two massive beef ribs. I mean, I don't know where to start.
Yeah.
Look at this, fall off the bone ribs in pho. This is one of my favorite dishes, and the meat is so tender. Absolutely delicious.
I love cocktails, so I create all the recipe of the bar here. It's all from natural fruit. We use natural ingredients. We don't use artificial syrup. So it will feel very refreshing. Like passion fruit margarita, we have with all some very fusion thing like Vietnamese coffee martini. Fusion between Vietnamese coffee and espresso martini.
If you're looking for amazing Vietnamese food, a stop at Remton Vietnamese Cuisine in Webster, Texas is a must.